Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is Sunday. It's a good day, but I feel not good yet. A little bit cough and running nose. Everybody there, thank you for watching my nonsense video. Thank you everyone for all your support, for all your never-ending support to my channel, especially to my two channels. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting Florliza 8 Vlogs and Florliza Vlogs. Guys, thank you so much, and God bless everyone. Shout out sa inyo lahat, and shout out everyone. Not feeling good, guys. shopping? Say no. What shop? Nothing to shopping. Everywhere is on sale in Singapore, but no time to go for shopping. So just save our money for shopping. Had your lunch? What do you have? Chicken rice? Yeah. It's quite nice, the chicken rice, but it's quite dry. Never put any oil on that. Yeah, but like so dry, but it's good taste. The taste is good. But when I put the chili, you know what? It's getting wrong. I'm getting worse my throat. So I get a little bit chili, guys. Yeah. I never bring the explosives. Do you have? Can you give me? Oh, I forgot. Maybe later I will buy. Maybe I will buy one pack later. But 7-Eleven is very expensive. Maybe I'm going to buy later. Yeah, Diane is so far. I need to go out. Alright guys, thank you for watching. God bless everyone. And stay safe. Yeah. Advance Merry Christmas everyone. Enjoy the holiday blessing. And malapit na mag-end ng 2023. So give love on Christmas Day and give love to everyone. And forgive and forget. Alright, thank you. Thank you for watching Florliza vlog. Please subscribe and like and share and press the notification bell para update kayo sa lahat ng mga bago kong video guys. So don't forget to subscribe.